Hi, this is Dana Shute, founder of Top Gun Trade Zones. As a professional trader with over 25 years of trading experience from the floors of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the Chicago Board of Trade, and Chicago Board Options Exchange, as well as the Pacific Stock Exchange for world-class trading firms such as the Hull Group and Goldman Sachs, I've taken the absolute best tools that make me a successful trader and are making them available to traders of all experience levels, from professionals to independent new traders just starting out. Our market reaction zones, or MRZs, are one of the most critically important tools I use to master the markets. This video is to provide you with an overview of how the Top Gun Trade Zones MRZ indicator for Ninjatrader work. In a nutshell, the MRZ indicator reads our key market reaction zone levels, or MRZs, which represent major areas of supply and demand going back 1 to 2 months from a local text file on your computer, and automatically places those MRZ zones on any Ninjatrader chart. Let's look at one example of how these are depicted on the chart. On this particular day, we see that the support zones are highlighted in green, and the resistance zones are highlighted in red, along with the bull-bear zones, which are essentially balance points in the market that determine whether the bulls or bears are in control, depending on which side price action is. As far as how the indicator works, what you will simply do is, each morning you will get a tweet around 7:30 a.m. stating that the MRZ zones have been posted onto the member area of the website. These will be posted along with the morning trade plan and market overview for the day. At the bottom of the member area for your subscribed markets, there will be a file to download for that day's MRZs to your computer. The file will be put into your local C drive in a folder called Top Gun MRZ, followed by the market name, such as ES, NQ, CL, etc. Now, you simply open your chart, open the indicators. The indicator remembers the correct folder the data file is stored. As far as the indicator settings, so you would go here, file path and name, it remembers where it is, and all the other previous days will also be stored there, and you would just click on that day that you just downloaded and automatically put it on. Since it's already in there, we don't need to do that. Now the indicator, again, remembers the correct folder the data file is stored. And as far as the indicator settings, they control the look and feel of the indicator. So what color the bull-bear zone is, the support and resistance zones, the color, the opacity of the lines, all the graphics can be customized to your choosing. Now I would recommend leaving them the way they are in the default settings, which are green, red, and gold. And again, you can control the opacity to your liking. That's basically, obviously, an intuitive color scheme. But in all fairness, sometimes I actually will set up different templates, and I like to use a different color scheme, and depending, maybe you use all dark charts. So I set up a template and would put them right in here for different uses here. Now you can do also the same, and like in this case, for certain charts, I use a dark scheme and I use a monochromatic zone layout. Now this video isn't to explain how our zones work or how to use them in your trading. There's ample information on the website and once you become a member. However, just at a glance, you can see from today's trading how our MRZ zones work. We captured the key turning points in the market, whether you're fading a move for a reversal, as shown here, or once a trend has established, as we started an uptrend here and we pulled back into support. These help, especially with any kind of EMA or other type of pivots or things like that. These help pinpoint those turns and give you confidence to take those trades. Not only just the area, but the location within that area. Now, they can also be used for targets as well as re-entry points. Take a look, even here at 8:30 a.m. we had a major report. Look how the zones, which came out an hour earlier and would have been on your charts, look how accurate these were. This is a 67-point move. Now, we don't recommend, or I should say it's up to the personal trader's experience, how they want to trade. We do have a lot of members, including myself, who, once you become familiar with these, understand where these exhaustion points might be, and they help layer in orders to catch some of these moves. This was a 67-point move. If you caught it just back to the opening range, then you're talking somewhere around about a 35-point move in each direction. Now, let's get back to the indicator. It can be plotted on any number of charts. There's no restrictions whatsoever. You can have these charts, these zones plotted on multiple charts on multiple time frames. This is also a one-time purchase and you own it forever, and the vast majority of our clients do own it. It's a valuable time saver and allows you to spend time preparing for the trading day as well as actually trading. And we're looking forward to having you as a Top Gun Trade Zones client, and we welcome you aboard. Now it's time to prepare for your next level of trading. Also, if you're struggling as a trader or a new trader, please check out our partner website, Top Gun Trend Trading. It's a trade signal service based on my 25 years of proven professional trade experience, and we give clear, precise trade signals. And in the near future, we will be leasing or selling the same software I use to generate my own signals, and for that service, that will totally change your trading around. Thank you, and I look forward to having you join us as a member.